This is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. To begin with, I'll make a little yet necessary introduction that I'm regularly, for such purpose, I'm regularly using the Google Drive app since it's free and does its job just fine. So usually it comes pre-installed with the system. If it is not true in your case, just get it for free from the Google Play Store. So with this out of the way, let's launch the app. In here, log into your Google account if necessary. Then once you're ready to scan, tap on a plus sign. Then click on the scan option. Grant camera permission to the Google Drive or camera access. Once the camera interface is launched, take your document or whatever is that you wanted to take a scan of, lay it as flat and straight in front of you as it is humanly possible. As you can see, mine is cluttered, but that's alright, I guess. I don't care. That's just a sample or the document that I'm going to use as a reference. Then frame it with the camera. Make sure that the document occupies the whole viewfinder space. Then take the best photo that you can, since it will be a base for our future scan and document. So it is in your best interest that you take a decent picture. So going onwards, check the result, make sure that you are satisfied with it. If you are, tap over here. If you're not, redo the photo by tapping at the cross sign. At the following page, at the following interface, you can crop the photo even further to make sure that everything is aligned. Trim off the edges. That's what I'm going to do now. Let's see, like so. Then tap on the done button. Look at the result one last time. Make sure that you're satisfied with it. Then tap on a save button. Choose the document title. Choose the account, the Google account that it will be saved to, and the folder. Once you're ready to save, finalize your intention by tapping on a save button or option. Wait until the saved document will get uploaded to Google Drive and then open it. That's the result that we've gotten. Looks like a decent scan to me, so great success. Alrighty, that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.